What is going on, guys? Lottery Stocks here. Today we are going to be going over the facts, the good and bad of AMC and what is to come. All I ask you to do is hit that like button. Now let's get right into the video. So first of all, I just want to start things off by saying I recharted a little bit on my AMC, deleted a few things, and kind of gave it the benefit of the doubt, but we're going to go into what's bad first. Well, I can tell you right now what is bad is that we have absolutely no volume. The volume is terribly, terribly low, under 20 million. That is bad. And we had a MACD crossover signaling a bearish, more bearish momentum than bullish momentum coming into the past few days. And as you guys know, we're down to $37. Your portfolios probably aren't looking that good, especially if you traded in the derivatives market. Now, if we go over to the derivatives market, you can see that 3,000 calls are in the money, 203,000 calls out of the money. Now, if the price does jump in the next coming days, next week, then you could potentially see some gamma happening. But as of right now, barely any calls expired in the money, and there's pretty much no movement in the stock. Now, another thing I wanted to point out is that we're dropping heavily, and the shares available to borrow isn't really going down. It looks like they're not borrowing shares against the stock, so I don't really know what's going on. The dark pool percentage is not shown to us anymore. It has not been for a while. This has gotten very, very weird. The closer and closer we've gotten to the end of the pennant, and the higher the short interest was, failure to delivers, and everything like that, the more they're trying to hide. So now that the bad stuff is out of the way, what do we have for the coming week that we can actually look forward to and look on the positive side? The first thing is that Adam Aaron is going to announce big news on Sunday. I don't know what this is about to be, but this is obviously a fundamental play for the company. Hopefully it can drive some new people to buy the stock, and we are going to see what happens. Now, as for recharting AMC, I gave it the benefit of the doubt by kind of making it a little less pretty and opening up the pennant just a bit so that we didn't see a breakout or a breakout to the upside or the downside, and we also don't have those false breakouts anymore. I give it the benefit of the doubt by giving it some wiggle room and saying right now that, let me get a breath, that we are still actually in the pennant. So where are we going to go from here? Well, we could bounce off of 35 being our lowest and bounce off of about 42 being our highest until we actually get that major breakout. When is a major breakout confirmed? I'm going to say that if we break $50 clean, then a major breakout is confirmed, but we never know, guys. Remember, this is all speculation, and this is what we are going to do. So I can tell you right now, there's still conviction in the stock. There's still apes holding the stock, and there's still passion to hold the stock. Have the shorts covered? No, these shorts have not covered. Am I still holding my position? I am currently holding my position. Am I worried about it? I am not worried about it. Now, what is the point where we should be scared, right? I think people want to know, well, where is the point we can get scared? Because it's been dropping for a long, long period of time. Honestly, I think a very, very scary point would be breaking under $24.50, okay? There's absolutely no support down here, and would probably fall back very, very low, and I think a lot of people would sell off, but I don't think we are going to get anywhere close to that level. That is pretty much all I got for you guys today. Consider smashing that like button. It does help me out and helps with the algorithm. Consider subscribing to the channel. I love you all. Lottery Stocks out.